Many companies in the plastics and rubber industry have chosen MRPeasy as their manufacturing software. MRPeasy integrates the sales, materials and production planning, reporting, procurement, and stock activities into one complete system, which provides great transparency. The intelligent estimating, scheduling, and forecasting functions help to make sure that you can provide an accurate quote to your customer, which considers all manufacturing requirements and costs, plus manufacturing and labor costs. Plus, it will even tell you the estimated delivery date. All this with a fraction of the time that it takes when using spreadsheets. For your sales team and project managers, the sales pipeline and other order tracking functionalities provide complete real-time transparency of the status of each order, so you can provide a higher level of customer service. While the purchase manager has a detailed overview of what must be purchased and when, the production manager has a detailed overview of each manufacturing order's part status, if they have been ordered, when they will be arriving, where is it placed in stock, and more. MRPeasy will help to make sure that you have all the parts, components, and even external subcontractor services ordered at the right time, so everything is available when it's required. For each of your workstations, MRPeasy accurately schedules production operations while considering constraints like capacity, material availability, and correct order of operations. In addition, you can use drag and drop rescheduling in the visual production calendars and Gantt charts. Plus, the various options for real-time online reporting allow your workers to see exactly the correct amount of information about each operation and product without needing paperwork. As workers report their progress, MRPeasy automatically updates the order progress and gives you insightful statistics based on the collected data. While on one hand you can easily estimate costs of products up front, MRPeasy automatically adds the actual costs, the materials, manufacturing overhead, and labor costs as parts are ordered and workers report production operations. Across several locations, you can easily manage thousands of parts, raw materials and products, bills of materials, production routings, different revisions, and more. For each raw material, you can save the purchasing information, the vendors, pricing tiers, minimal order quantities, lead times, units of measurement conversions, and more. In addition, there are many other useful functions, like an at-a-glance dashboard of key metrics, support for barcode readers, management of product returns, quality control, and much more, all in one place. The best part is that MRPeasy does not require any installation. You can easily access it from anywhere using your web browser. Streamline your business with MRPeasy. Sign up for a free trial today.